Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on the backup and restore option here. And here we've got the whole Google backup section. So let's tap on add a backup account now. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Here Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them and read, and then tap on agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And here we've got more detailed information. So you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see right here, we've got our Google account added, which means that we just successfully enabled the Google backup. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.